Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a headlight on a Nissan Armada using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools, a standard Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. It is always a good idea to replace both headlight bulbs at the same time to ensure consistent light output and prevent one from failing shortly after the other. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and cooled down before starting any work. To access the headlight bulb, begin by turning your steering wheel fully towards the side you are working on. This provides better access to the wheel well. Next, locate and remove the 3 or 4 Phillips head screws securing the wheel well liner. Once these screws are out, gently pull back the black plastic liner to reveal the back of the headlight assembly. This simple step avoids removing the entire headlight. With the assembly exposed, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by prying up its clip. Then, grasp the base of the old bulb, rotate it 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and carefully pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your fingers. Insert the new bulb into the socket, rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it in place, and reattach the electrical connector. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates properly. Once confirmed, carefully push the black plastic wheel well liner back into its original position. Finally, reinstall all 3 or 4 Phillips head screws that you removed earlier, tightening them securely. This completes the easy headlight bulb replacement process for your Nissan Armada, getting you back on the road safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.